Magdadrive ako hanggang dito. Magdadrive ako hanggang Batangas. Tapos magsiswimming doon sa beach. Isasama ko ang girlfriend ko. Isasama ko kahit sinong may gusto. Kahit may kasama siyang aso. Basta't meron siyang baong sariling buto. Magdadala ako ng pagkain, burger, fries, tapsilog at siopaw. Magdadrive ako hanggang Visayas. Magdadrive ako hanggang sa Mindanao. Magdadrive ako buong taon. Magdadrive ako habang buhay.
Ayan po, makikita niyo bang yan. Dito na kami. Papunta na kami sa boat. Sasakyan namin para sa island hopping. Dito na kami. Sakay ng mga bangka. Init na init ka na dyan. Kami po ay pupunta na sa
SM Manila. Holy shit.
sa MOA. MOA na tayo. Pupunta na kami sa aming pangkado, no? Sa Danig. Ayan. Kita nyo yung nalapit. Exciting to, exciting. Ito na ang aming bangka.
Na Amerika, ng Korea.
Ay, kayo muna, ako ng last. Yeah.
Done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no
Dito na kami ngayon
more.
sa...
No
Ano pangalan ng lugar na to?
it cannot wait. I'm yours.
Dito kami ngayon. What a beautiful place.
Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me a la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to open up your mind and see locate. Open up your time is short. It cannot wait. I'm yours. No, I won't hesitate no more, no more. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm sure there's no need to open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free. Well, look into your heart and you'll find love. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment, come and dance with me. I'm not happy, very short. It's our God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment, come and dance with me. I'm not peaceful, no more. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved. Sky.
Looking at the world that's ahead. When every heart confesses your name, we're pressing on towards that day. We're never gonna stop. We're never gonna stop. Letting go of every mistake, throwing off the chains of restraint.